So what's going on, guys? So we're at the final stages of the paint correction process. But one thing I grew up with, and I don't know about you guys, is that whenever you thought you need to shine a car, it was referred to as polishing. I needed to polish the car. I needed to get that, get that ultimate shine on the actual car itself. However, polishing removes maybe like a microscopic layer of clear. So every time you polish the car, you're actually removing a microscopic layer of paint. What you want to do is you want to actually put a sealant over your corrected paint, and then you'll apply a wax. I got a secret combination for you, and it's not very expensive. I think both products will cost you in the region of about 600 for both products. One is a polymer based sealant and the other is a canuba wax, and when the two combine together makes for extraordinary results. So what I would do first is, after I've polished, cut the paint itself, I'll use something like this here, something called Valet Pro. What's it? Purple Passion by Valet Pro. This it's designed to improve the paint finish prior to waxing. It deep cleans the paintwork, removing attached deposits not removed by washing. Purple Passion also effortlessly removes light marring from the paint surfaces. Removes light marring and oxidation, enhances gloss, creates a base that helps waxes, sealants to bond better, and thus improves durability. So I'll use something like this first to remove all of the stuff. So the first secret is Menzerna Power Lock. So what you want to do is give it a good shake. And then just apply a few drops, say 2 beads of it, like this here. Prime your pad. And lightly apply the coat. So this is applying a sealant over the car. And you don't have to do a heavy coat. You can see they're still on there. So what I'll do is I'll move over to my mirrors, to the doors. So a little product goes a long way. On the door, I like to do the cross hitch pattern so that in case I miss any spots, because it's a larger surface area to work with. So I'll just do a cross hitch pattern on it. Using the pad, there's still product left on it. So I'll continue doing this around the car. We'll come back to when we remove it. One thing you gotta realize is you gotta do this in a clean environment, because this thing has to cure for about 3 hours on the paint before you remove it. So once it's cured back, once it's cured, we'll remove it. Let's take this, let's get this in the flip. So this is actually the second coat I'm putting it on, so I'm not gonna let it sit for 8 hours or 3 hours. It also depends on your humidity and things like that there. But if you are going to leave the paint to set for good, say 2-3 hours for it to cure onto the paint itself, what I would strongly suggest you do is use a blower before putting your microfiber cloth onto the paint again. So blow blow off any excess dust that's on there. So once it is cured, all you do is you use your polish removal microfiber cloth and you just wipe it off. So I'll finish this up, and when we come back, we'll wax the car. So the next secret is to mix the menzerna polymer with a canuba wax. I like to use Colonite Insulator 845. So 845 and menzerna Power Lock, deadly combination. Because it's a natural product, it will tend to solidify in the bottle. So a good trick is to, if you hear it's not actually a liquid right now, get, I would say, reasonably hot water, place it in the hot water for a little while. Because it's natural, I don't know, I think it comes from Brazil or somewhere. It's plant based, so it will solidify. And with it being natural, it will return to its solid state. So what the hot water does is just expands the product so that the particles on the inside can liquefy. Just leave it for a couple of seconds. Give it a good shake. You can start hearing now it's turning to liquid. And again, this product is the same like the sealant. Use a new microfiber cloth, by the way, and applicate the pad. So once that is done, the same principle applies. Very little goes a long way. So there we go. Just give it a good shake. That's how you want to do. This technically doesn't have a curing time, so just put a little bit on my pad. Again, prime my pad like this, and apply it. Apply the canuba wax over. With this process, you only have to wait till it hazes. Hazing means it sort of starts to become white, and then you puff it off. So you just do the one side of the car, and when we come back, we'll have a look at the end results of putting a sealant, putting a wax over the sealant, and eventually seeing what's the outcome of it. when removing your, after you've let it haze for a while, just remove your polish or your wax. Flipping the cloth over because the cloth becomes saturated with the product itself. Then you're actually not removing the product itself, you're merely smearing it over the actual panel. And once that is done, you take your ultra plush microfiber cloth and give it the final wipe down. And there we go. That's our series. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think it was a lot of man hours put into this detail itself. Hope you guys thoroughly enjoyed it. Got some benefit. Any questions, you can just leave it in the comments below. Yeah, so again, I'm not a professional detailer. I might have done certain things wrong, right, I don't know, but at the end of the day, I'm pretty pleased with the results, and you can see it from on my Instagram, as well as some of the videos out there. You'll be able to see the actual end product. So we want to have a look. So if we have a look at that, this is, here we are. Body lines are so visible. You can see the reflection. Truly, I'm happy with this. There's a picture of it in the dark as well. Ultimately, cannot complain for the time I spent on it. I think the results are absolutely well worth it. Gloss factor is like on another level. It's like the paint is dripping off the panel itself. Hope you guys enjoyed the series. Hopefully I have some more creative ideas on how to do other stuff, but let's see what happens in the future. Take care. Cheers.